Are you tired of using flimsy, low-quality portable power banks that can't even last a full day? You're not alone. I've been there too, and it's frustrating to say the least. But today, we're going to talk about a game changer, the Brickhouse Spark Nano 7. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on this little powerhouse. Its incredible efficiency and compact design that still manages to pack a punch. Therefore, if you're in the market for a reliable portable power bank, keep watching because we're about to dive into some serious detail. The Brickhouse Spark Nano 7 is not just another portable power bank. It's designed with cutting-edge technology to give you more juice when you need it most. With an impressive capacity of 20,000 mAh, this baby can charge your smartphone up to 5 times on a single charge. Therefore, whether you're a busy professional always on the go or an outdoor enthusiast venturing into the wilderness, the Spark Nano 7 has got your back. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at some of its key features that set it apart from the competition. /N. High-capacity battery with 20,000 mAh power /N. Quick charge technology to get you back online in no time /N. Compact and lightweight design perfect for travel or everyday carry /N. Dual USB ports to keep your devices charged simultaneously. Rehook. By now, you're probably thinking that this sounds too good to be true, but trust me when I say it's not. The Brickhouse Spark Nano 7 is the real deal, and I'm about to show you why. Let's talk about some of its other impressive features. /N. Its sleek and ergonomic design makes it a pleasure to carry around /N. The LED indicator shows exactly how much power is left, so you never get caught off guard /N. It's also designed with safety in mind, featuring overcharge protection and short-circuit protection. But there's more. The Spark Nano 7 also comes equipped with some advanced technology that sets it apart from its competitors. /N. It has a built-in smart chip that helps optimize battery life /N. The output is protected by a high-quality circuit to prevent damage to your device's /N. And as an added bonus, it's also USB-C rechargeable for maximum convenience. Rehook. By now, you're probably wondering how this thing can possibly be so affordable. The answer is simple. Brickhouse has set its sights on making portable power banks accessible to everyone. But before we get into the details of pricing and where to buy, let me reiterate the importance of getting a reliable portable power bank like the Spark Nano 7. Whether you're a business owner who's always on the go or an outdoor enthusiast who needs to stay connected in the wilderness, this thing is a game changer. Now that we've talked about all the features and benefits of the Brickhouse Spark Nano 7, let's get down to brass tacks. Where can you get it and how much will it set you back? For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description.